This is the famous Piha Pony. It likes to neigh. It likes to graze on trees and eat leaves and branches. It likes to make a nest and go to sleep in a warm patch of sand. Or sometimes under a tree. The wildlife on these Piha beaches is most rare and exotic. Can't be found anywhere else in the world. One of the specialties of this pony is riding. Yes, it is one of the very few species that can ride. Its vocalizations can be quite piercing when roused. It's very shy. It runs.
No, that means lions are coming from under the tree.
Making a nest to lay its eggs. In 6 to 8 weeks, the eggs will hatch, and the marvelous writing ponies of Piha will hatch and try to make their way to the sea. Very few survive the journey. What are you doing now, Pony?
I'm burying my eggs so no predators will find them.
Good idea. How many eggs did you bury? 10. And do you...
Each containing, each of the 10 eggs containing 100 ponies.
100 ponies? So you've got 1,000 ponies in that nest ready to hatch out?
Mm-hmm.
How many of them will survive to adulthood?
Only one egg.
So 10 ponies.
No, not 10 ponies. 100 ponies at least.
Oh, 100 ponies, sorry.
On the egg that says brave.
Oh. What do the other eggs say?
Worried, caution, and elegance, worriedness, give upness, and madness.